Hi everyone, it's Dana from First Coffee Then Colors. I'm here with my model who is my beautiful mom, and today we are looking at greens. So if you have salt and pepper hair and you are wondering what your best greens are, you will want to watch this. So she already has this color on her of green, which is a very warm and muted olive green. Right now, I'm looking here, but I'm also looking here. And honestly, to me, it's completely washing her out. And we were talking just before the video started, and what a very yellow green and yellows also will do to somebody with salt and pepper hair is it will make the color look very drab. So when you have salt and pepper hair, you want to play up the fact that it is very cool and it has a lot of blue undertones in it. So blue is going to really make it look shiny. And if your green does not have enough blue in it, like olive, for example, you want to avoid it. So if you have salt and pepper hair and you're watching this, you have olive green in your wardrobe, hide it at the back, okay? So next, we want to take a look at this. This is a lot brighter. This is more of a spring green. And while I appreciate the fact that it's brighter, it's still doing absolutely nothing to your hair at all other than making it look flat and drab. And again, I just kind of think there's no flow whatsoever happening here. We'll get rid of that one too. So this is a definite improvement. This is more like a pine green. However, I would say it has a lot of yellow in it still. If you had something this color, I would just go for a little bit more of an emerald because that will have a little bit more blue in it. So of our selections, the one I liked the best was this turquoise color because it has so much blue in it and a lot less yellow. Is it the best of the greens? I'm not sure about that. However, you can see how your hair looks a lot shinier in this one than the other green options. So if you have salt and pepper hair, you want to avoid greens with a lot of yellow in them, okay? And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe, you like, you share. If you want to join my free monthly class, make sure you write comment list and I will add you to the list. And we will see you in the next video. Bye.